All right, so I'm just going to guesstimate with this to be like about that long. And I'll angle it like that. And I'm just going to cut it here for now. Hold it up and kind of get another measurement there. Shortening there because it'll grip it a little bit better than water. Angle this again. Get it under there. Okay, so just get it on first. And then I can trim it on up. Okay, and then down the side, I'll go ahead and take my palette knife. It's kind of easier to cut it with your palette knife. Looks like I just need to cut through a little more. There we go. Push that down. We'll have a little trim down there. Okay, the other side and then the back. I'm going to put a little bit of water right in that seam so that can stick to itself there. Okay. So you can see that's been in the freezer a while while I was working on the other part, but that's okay, it'll be fine. Okay, over the top, bring it down. Now I'm going to trim a little of this because it's getting in my way. Okay, and I'm just going to kind of bring this in because you're not going to see all of this part, but I don't want it to be sticking out like that. So there we go. Yay. And just kind of pick it up and tuck any of that underneath. All right, next step is to put some supports in there and then pop that on. Okay, turn it so you can see it. So we know they're right in the middle there. Okay, 4 is what we're going to go for, and we'll mark them all by this one. So 1, measure it up against that one, and the 2, and 4. Make sure it's in the middle. It's not, so I need to move it over. Right like that. We're going to need to support it there. So use the old pencil sharpener. Okay. Pop it right about in the middle there. There you go. Good boy.